Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the language in Opera browser. So let's get started. First thing, just open Opera browser. To the top you are having this easy setup option. Click here, and if you scroll down, here we are having go to full browser settings. Click here, and here we are having a search settings option. Just search for language and you'll be getting this preferred languages. By default I am having here the language as English from United States. Just select add language, and here we are having these many languages to choose from. If you want to search your language, you can just search over here. So once you are done choosing your language, just check the checkbox and click on add. That's it, that language will be added over here. Now here we are having this more actions straight to that language. Click here and select display Opera in this language and just click on relaunch. Now as you can see, my language has been changed. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.